in El Paso died after being
Hey Iris, why are you always sitting alone? Maybe nobody likes you.
Looks like no one wants to meet you.
Can you please stop?
Pick her, she's too slow.
Yeah, he will just hold us back.
I just want to be part of something.
Hey, look, Byris. Byris, come sit with us in space in our group. Yeah, don't worry. Hey, what you're doing is not okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Just a joke.
Larry is hurt. I didn't think anyone would stand up for me.
Mahal lang. Maglapit lang yung Byris.
I'm sorry we didn't realize it hurt you this much.
We thought it was just a joke.
I'm sorry Iris, we are...
Thank you for saying that.